babae. Guys, ito na tayo ngayon. We're facing the real challenge here. Do you wanna hear Papa Dudot's story? Okay, the intro of Papa Dudot's story is, dito sa Papa Dudot's story. Guys, I'm sorry guys. So, we're near to get out from this village. Okay guys, I will sing you again. Guys, we're almost here. We got it all for you. So guys, this is testimonies, the one that I hear from Papa Dudot. Guys, so powerful ng preaching ni Dr. Marvin. I encourage you, everyone here, who's been, you don't care. You don't have care. I do what I want. I'll do whatever I want. Ayoko, non-stop ang galawan. Non-stop ang hiyawan. Pengi naman ang isang palakpakan. Guys, it's so amazing here. Look what they did. The confidential, the money of Bao. Guys, look at this. What amazing. They did this for almost 5 months. And it's been so struggle to walk here because there's a lot of men's at work. There's a signage. Men's at work. Sorry for inconvenience. Sorry guys if we're walking slowly because Lebel needs this video. If you're hearing this, girl, you better have a paid. You better pay me for this. My shame are gone. My shames are